So the pin arrived and I'm about to press the broken pin out. As you can see, the original pin that was in, I don't think that was original. That was probably replaced at some point, and because this is sticking out like a 1/4 inch from the other side, so the length of that was 2¼ inch. What I got was 2 inch long, and this is a 58 Rockwell C hardness, and it has actually 48 to 58 Rockwell C hardness in the core and 60 Rockwell C hardness in the surface. I did some research and looks like this is the standard that should go with. I wanted to actually go a little bit softer on the core so it doesn't break, but it's very hard to get your hands on, and the waiting, and I just didn't want to wait forever for something to arrive. So I ordered these. They were fairly priced. Like I got a pack of 25 for like $42 or $48 delivered to me, which was a great price from a reputable distributor that I worked with them for many years. Wow. Okay. Okay, so now the pin is out. I need to take the control arm out, the control shaft or control input, whatever it's called, out to replace the gaskets here, or the seals here. There's no gasket, actually there's seal here, and that's what I'm going to do. I gotta do some research and find what seal need to go in there. Trying to support it again, so I can put the new pin back on. Okay, this is looking good. So this is the tool that I built. Just a basic, it's a rod with a hole in the center. That's it. It's not much of a tool, but it helps to not to press against the pin itself. So I can just guide it and press it back in. I think I've reached the bottom of it. So thank you, gentleman named Pete. He was, I think, a Bolens or Eaton or Bolens dealer, and he has a lot of knowledge by what I have read about him, about the Eaton hydro transmissions. So he gave me, out of kindness, gave me the part numbers that I could order through Napa. So this part was destroyed when I was taking it out. I don't know if it's sitting here, but I received the new one, and this is the new part, and this just gonna go in. I'm gonna tap it in right now with a wood block, and then okay. I'm ready. This is sitting in nice and flush. So I have to take, this is actually for the parking brake. I have to open it and replace the seal. Just want to show you. So this has been abused, I believe. Look how it is deformed. Let me see if I can zoom. What happens is this just drops between the gears, and that makes it to mechanically lock the wheels and transmission in place.